Hello everyone, welcome you on investmentguru.com. BSE Sensex spot closed at 60,621 with a gain of 360 points. Nifty 50 spot closed at 18,027 with a gain of 71 points. And Bank Nifty spot closed at 42,506 with a gain of 135 points. Market breadth was remained negative during the last week. BSE 500 closed at 24,444 with a gain of 8 points and Nifty 500 closed at 15,347 with a gain of 2 points. Now let's look at top gainer loser index. Top gainer was Nifty IT index which closed at 29,529 with a gain of 2.1% and top loser was Nifty Media index which closed at 1,888 with a loss of 4.3%. Now let's see what happens at chart. The index has formed a bearish candle on the daily chart with lower high lower low formation for the second consecutive session, which indicates nervousness among market participants. On the weekly scale, the index has formed a long leg doji pattern for another week with a higher high and higher low formation, indicating indecisiveness among buyers and sellers about the future market of the trend. Until the broader range of 18,200 to 17,800 level is not broken on either side, it is expected that range bound trading is to be continued in the coming days. Now let's analyze Nifty derivative data. Nifty cumulative open interest increased with 0.5% and price increased to 0.4%, which suggests long build-up. On the options front, Nifty 25th January weekly option data suggests that highest open interest on call side was seen at 18,100 strike with open interest of 2,67,497 lots, and highest open interest on put side was seen at 18,100 strike with open interest of 1,60,365 lots. Maximum open interest change was happen on call side at 18,100 strike with addition of 1,90,478 lots, and maximum open interest change was happen on put side at 18,100 strike with addition of 90,056 lots. As per the chart pattern and option data analysis, we can conclude that if Nifty breaks below 18,000 level, then it can go down towards 17,900 to 17,800 levels. But if index sustains above 18,100 level, then it can bounce back towards 18,200 to 18,260 levels. Now let's analyze Bank Nifty chart. The banking index has formed a doji candle on the daily scale, and on the weekly chart it has formed a hammer pattern, which indicates some support based buying at the lower level has seen. The index has to hold above 42,350 level to make an up move towards 42,750 to 43,000 levels. Now let's analyze Bank Nifty derivative data. Bank Nifty cumulative open interest decreased with 5% and price increased to 0.3%, which suggests short covering. On the options front, Bank Nifty 25th January weekly option data suggests that highest open interest on call side was seen at 42,500 strike with open interest of 1,26,106 lots, and highest open interest on put side was seen at 42,500 strike with open interest of 1,20,975 lots. Maximum open interest change was happen on call side at 42,600 strike with addition of 55,962 lots, and maximum open interest change was happen on put side at 42,500 strike with addition of 90,780 lots. As per the chart pattern and option data analysis, we can summarize that if Bank Nifty breaks below 42,250 level, then the index can go down towards 42,000 to 41,750 levels. But if Bank Nifty crosses above 42,700 level, then the index can march towards 43,000 to 43,250 levels. Thank you.